Welcome everyone to our chat on navigating a major shift in data tools, moving from Power BI Premium to the shiny new Microsoft Fabric, right?
Absolutely. Yep. It's like a whole new paradigm. I mean, Power BI Premium, as we knew it is, well, basically dead, but in a good way.
Right. It's not an end but a beginning. Microsoft has retired the classic P SKU. Instead, every new purchase or renewal now requires a Fabric SKU while keeping the core capabilities intact.
Yeah. And hey, for those already on board, there's a safety net, right? Your current premium capacity remains until renewal, but then you must switch to Fabric.
Yeah, indeed. Exactly. And a key part of this shift is the migration process, moving your workspaces over. Um, Microsoft literally developed an automated migration tool leveraging Fabric REST APIs. It's designed for everything from a handful to thousands of workspaces.
Mm-hmm. Now, just to clarify, if someone's more hands on, there are detailed guidelines for a manual process too. That's reassuring, right?
Totally, yep. There's flexibility whether you're running a small project or a massive scale operations. And timing is super critical here. There's a 90-day window for data access post migration, plus an extra 30 days of free premium capacity even after your subscription ends.
But here's a question. If you delay beyond those 90 days, what's the consequence?
Good question. After that period, interactive operations will be throttled by around 20 seconds. And if you push it too far, your capacity might even be frozen or, well, deleted.
Yikes, indeed. That sounds a bit harsh. I mean, what if the migration tool or the guidelines aren't clear enough for everyone? Do you think that's a realistic concern?
Well, I understand the worry. There's a risk there. However, Microsoft offers ample support through their sales reps and partners. Plus, the free extension period is practically a cushion to ensure users get on board properly.
Okay, fair enough. It seems they really hammered down on making this transition as smooth as possible. And what about the new capabilities that come with Fabric?
Oh, they're pretty exciting. By shifting to Fabric, you're now tapping into benefits like eligibility for the Microsoft Azure Consumption Commitment, MAXI, which helps in budgeting and resource allocation.
Right, that's a smart move. Absolutely. And don't forget exclusive features like trusted workspace access and managed private endpoints. I mean, that's a significant security upgrade compared to the old PSKU, correct?
Exactly, yep. And if you're into Power BI embedded, fear not. Fabric capacity still supports it. Plus, certain SKUs even include Power BI Report Server, though a Power BI Pro license remains necessary for publishing.
Yeah, that makes sense. So essentially, while we're saying goodbye to what we knew as Power BI Premium, we're stepping into a more integrated, flexible future with Fabric.
Precisely. And the takeaway is to plan your transition early. Review your current capacity, check out the new pricing options on Microsoft's site, and get familiar with the migration steps outlined on Microsoft Learn.
Absolutely. Not to mention, if any issues come up, reaching out to your Microsoft account rep or partner is key. There's a collaborative spirit in making sure everyone's moving forward seamlessly, right?
Right. And it's sort of like upgrading from an old school car to a high tech vehicle. It requires some adjustments at first, but the benefits far outweigh the temporary disruptions.
Yeah, that's a neat analogy. Now, one last question. With all these changes, do you think there could be any hiccups that might have been overlooked?
I would say no major issues are expected if users follow the migration plan. It's well thought out. But as with any transition, it's crucial to stay proactive and engaged with the support channels.
Fair point. Well, that's a wrap then. The transition to Microsoft Fabric not only offers new tech and improved security, but it also pushes us to rethink how we manage our data solutions.
Exactly. So let's embrace the change, plan our steps thoroughly, and look forward to a dynamic future in data management. Thanks for joining today's discussion, everyone.
Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time as we explore more data innovations.